Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you about gerunds. So let's get started. Now what are gerunds and when do we use them? But before we start, let me give you some important points. A subject can either be a noun or a pronoun. Subject cannot have any other form like verb, adjective, etc. The examples are Mahesh is a motivational speaker. Here, the word Mahesh is a noun. He is a motivational speaker. Here, the word he is a pronoun. Let me give you an interesting example. Earning money is not easy. Now, you might say that the word earning is a verb. Then, how can we use it as a subject in this sentence? It is because the word earning is not performing as a verb. It is a noun now. That verb is called a gerund. When any ing verb acts as a noun, it is called gerund. Gerunds can act as subject and object in a sentence. Let me give you the examples. Sitting for a long time is not good for health. Planting more trees is beneficial to everyone. Here, the words sitting and planting are subjects in the sentence. I love cycling. She enjoys reading a lot. Here, the words cycling and reading are objects in the sentence. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video and subscribe to my channel.